on the launch control. Hello, Misty girl. Misty just survived cat flu. Welcome back to another video. Throttle response worldwide. I got a dirty secret over here. I know it's dirty. Now we got a dirty Polo GTI. We're gonna get it cleaned up so we can get a nice montage for you guys later in the video. But just letting you guys know, this is gonna be our little cruiser for the day. And I decided, you know what? Let me take you guys along for the ride here on Throttle Response Worldwide. So by the way, I did mention in a post that I want to be changing the name of the channel. So if you guys have an opinion as to what the name should be, please let me know in the comments. Yep, one thing about VW, nah? Awesome interior, really entertaining infotainment situation going on here. It's a hot day today, hot and windy. There we go. Start it up. Let's go. You know, we got some nice private farm roads to enjoy this this car, and you guys are going along for the ride, so please stay tuned. We can hold on to it long enough so we can get some comparisons against the Lumina SS as well. Stay tuned for all of that. Please like the video and please subscribe. Yes, what did you want to say? Subscribe. Yes, please subscribe if you have not done so already. So here we are, listening to the info system, infotainment, nice sound system. Don't care if I get demonetized, doing it for you guys. Yep, it's handling these farm roads very nicely, very nicely. We're gonna get more into the details in the full review, so you know, don't worry about that. We'll get to that in the next video, but now we're just taking you along for the drive, so enjoy. Yep, I must say, I'm impressed. That 4-cylinder life, it does the job. Very enjoyable ride. The perfect grocery getter. So we just bumped into some friends of ours here at the spa in Grootbrak. So I wanted to give you some spirited driving videos on the way home now, but they'll be following us home. They're gonna come and visit us for a little bit. So unfortunately I won't be getting too much spirited clips, but I'll try and sneak them in here and there and get a pull for you guys here and there in this really awesome Polo, I think it's 2021 model GTI. Zaki, you liking it there, boy? Yeah. Sunroof is really awesome, although it does add to the noise factor when you're inside the car, especially when you're trying to film. So I won't be having the sunroof open for the few clips I'll be getting for you guys now, but I hope you guys are enjoying the video thus far, and I hope that you guys will stay till the end. Sport mode. The downshifts in sport mode. Really excited. It's DSG. It's DSG.
I don't like automatic. I don't like it. I don't like it.
Sport mode. Oh, verpa! Get a taste of that verpa.
Did you hear that also?
Okay, I have to put it in manual mode again. Okay, we're gonna do this just for the vlog. Some launch control. Alrighty. Very aggressive on the launch control, I must say. A lot of tire smoke, a lot of tires spinning, a lot of tires smelling. Okay, Polo GTI don't play, but you know what they say, spinning ain't winning.
I don't like automatic.
Spinning ain't winning, and somebody in the back doesn't like automatic. It's okay, Zaki boy, it's okay. It's okay, boy, don't worry. Yeah, so we got a taste of what the Polo GTI can do. Hopefully we'll be hanging on to this car for a little bit and get some more pulls in the future, but we'll be doing a full review, just a short review in the next video. My wifey will be doing it. Hope you guys will stick around for that and enjoy the content. Catch you on the flip side. Cow reviewing as well, some cattle viewing here in Grootbrak. All part of the views, all part of the views. Whoops! Whoops! Let's wait for them, let's wait for them. It's alright, it's alright. Shepherd boys, the shepherd boys. You see, that has to be in the video, Nicole. You just keep saying things that need to be there.